And today, if you look at the flag, it says, sow in tears, reap in joy. It's nothing but determination. No matter what the challenges that come in front of you, if you know your purpose in life, if you know what you want to do and why God has sent you and put you where you are, I'll tell you, there is no challenge, there is no mountain that you cannot overcome. Because you know what you have to do. That purpose, that vision is set for you. And that's why today, what the Presbyterian Church has done for the people, has done for the school, has given that purpose, that faith, that strength, that determination to move forward in life and achieve that service and that goal that was set for you. Is the reason why today, even after 75 years and the biggest struggles that the school has had, this school still continues to serve the youth, the children, and the people of this village and the state as a whole. I congratulate all the past managing committee chairmen, presidents, members, principals, teachers, students. This may look like a very simple thing for many, many people watching from outside. But the story and the journey that you have taken to build this school brick by brick, in the face of all the challenges that were there, is a true sign of determination, your commitment, and your overall vision to serve God and to serve the people of your village as well as of the state. I asked him. So he looked at me like this. He said, make it 20. So I said, no, I said 10. He said, yeah, give 20. So when my friend tells me to do that, I can't say no. So I would like to announce that from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I'm happy to contribute 20 lakhs for the extension of the school building. I know it's not enough, much more is required, but every long journey starts with the first step, which I'm sure the managing committee is aware of, and that's how they got so far. We will continue this journey. I assure you of help in the future also. In regards to the ad hoc and the lump sum grant in aid, as I said, we are in the process of, as of now, trying to restructure the entire government system of ad hoc grants and granting aid being given to different schools. We need to complete that first before we get into the second phase of giving further support to different schools.